scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Income taxes go up in an open economy with flexible exchange rates, and this quick chain reaction tells you exactly why option A wins. Higher income taxes leave households with less disposable income, so consumption falls, aggregate demand drops, and real output decreases. That is the first move, and everything else follows from it. When real output falls, domestic income falls too, so people and firms buy fewer imports. Exports are not the part changing here, so lower imports make net exports increase. With net exports rising, foreigners need more Newland currency to buy its goods, increasing demand, so in the short run, it appreciates. Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given effects and check each step before choosing the currency movement.